Oh dear, that's buggered it. We'll have to put the poster up again. There can't be that many dance instructors left in this town.
You know who to call. That lot have rung their last bell. I can't think of anything I'd less rather do. Greetings, humble purveyor of metalware.
Greetings, traveller from another dimension.
How did you know that?
Simple. Only girls have ponytails in this dimension.
The hits just keep on coming. Hello again.
Hello.
You don't happen to have any mucosade lying about, do you?
Mucosade? What's that?
It's super-powered wardrobe fuel.
Yeah, I've never heard of it.
Never mind. How's the ironmongering trade?
It's still as red-hot, cool and trendy as usual. It's the money that's giving me problems at the moment.
How's that?
Well, since the king decided to modernise the currency system, I've been totally lost. I don't understand all these dollars and shillings and things. And now I've got a tax return to fill in, and I can't quite grasp it.
What exactly is your problem?
On tax form 331B, subsection 3, paragraph 4, it states that all figures must be submitted in dollars.